Most people post pictures online just to fill their feed. But what if those same pictures could quietly earn you money in the background? You don't need a big following, you don't need ads, and you definitely don't need to build funnels or websites. Right now, AI has made it possible for normal everyday images to work almost like tiny digital sales reps. Pictures that look simple but are optimized to trigger curiosity, engagement, and clicks that lead to commissions. And here's the part most beginners don't realize. Visual content spreads faster than anything else. But the only images that actually make money are the ones crafted with the right hook and the right message. That's where most beginners got stuck. They post random stuff, hope people see it, and nothing happens. That's exactly why Profit Trigger AI exists. It takes a picture you already planning to post and upgrades it into a high content conversion ready asset. It analyzes what's already working online and gives you the exact copy, angle, and curiosity trigger proven to make people click. So instead of posting for fun, you're posting for profit. And that's how a single image can quietly bring in $10 up to $50 commissions, all from content you share anyway. If you want to turn your everyday pictures into income producing posts, check the link in my description and sign up for Profit Trigger AI. It's the simplest way to let your images start earning for you.